Hi, my name's Rob Fedden, and I'm the founder of Ting Nutrition Inc.
Hi, I'm Doug. I'm the founder of a new aviation app called Squawker. We are a social networking platform that connects pilots and aviation enthusiasts.
So my name's Will. I used to work in finance, but I quit about 6 months ago to start an app-based business that I've been planning for about 6 months.
My name is Jason Kelly, and I'm the CEO and founder of a ad agency called Odom Advertising here in San Francisco.
I had no technical expertise at all. I was really interested in the sort of sales and marketing side of the business, but didn't have a clue how to take my idea and turn it into a functioning app.
I hired a firm out of India. They gave me a great price, a great timeline. It seemed way too good to be true. Let me tell you, it was way too good to be true. They had horrible communication. They took way too long, delaying. And after close to a year, they told me they couldn't get the project done.
We had an app that really needed to be updated quite a bit. We had a lot of old code and a lot of cleanup that needed to be done, as well as then sort of retrofit the app to meet today's sort of requirements by both the Google Play and Apple iStore requirements.
We knew that our build on the back end was definitely going to be a bit more complex because it involved food, and this was definitely a challenge that many people before us have taken on and not been successful at. But we're obviously big believers in what we're building and the future that we can bring to society overall. And we found that that Interexy was the best partner for that job.
They quoted me 8 weeks to get this project done. Well, it's 8 weeks later. The project is done. We're working on getting it launched.
The project lasted for a few months, and now I have an amazing product that was exactly what I envisaged when I first set out and kind of drew the first plans up.
Well, we're real close to being done. We are going through kind of the last rounds of QA, so we're getting there. We're real close.
Anytime I suggested sort of slight change or any minimal difference in sort of what had been planned,
I'd 100% recommend AMS for any web development or app development project that you have out there. That they're just fantastic.
So you want to make sure that your time and your money is in good hands. And I can confidently say that my overall process has been exactly what's expected, and I do have high expectations, and they've definitely delivered on that.